Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel Tea&Art. I hope you all are well. So let's start today's video. So I received a lovely package from Into Resin. Let's see what molds I get because a lot of these molds I really don't know. They are surprise for me. So let's see. So recently Into Resin have announced their brand ambassadors. It's Mini Scene and Michelle. Mini Scenes Tracy and Michelle. So congratulations to both of you. So let's see the molds that I got. So first of all, I got this one. So it says thank you. And I think it is a beer related mold. I'm going to open it once I will be doing the video. So I'm going to leave this a surprise because I really don't know how this one looks like. So let's see the rest of the molds. This is a surprise mold you can see, and it is a turtle. I am super excited to see this one. I really love all the turtles from Into Resin. They all turn out so be amazing. And this is, I think, the water effect mold. Totally looking forward to create something from this one. And let's see what I have in this one. So this one actually I ordered. It is a magical mold. So these are some crystal wands. I'm going to see that how I'm going to use them myself. Totally excited to create this one as it is something very unique. And in this one I had this lovely heart mold. It is a surprise mold, and again really love it. I think it has a water effect in it, some sort of. Totally, it's such a big mold as well. And then I have this one. Let me take out of the package. I think I ordered this one. It is a lovely heart mold. You have seen me making some hearts with these. I made the pocket hearts, but these are crystal encased one, and I'm totally looking forward to see how these will look like. They comes in 3 size. So hi again, and today I'm going to use this mold. I was totally surprised by this one as it is her surprise mold, but again I was surprised myself. Anything heart related I really love to create. And then this one has, I think, waves in it, water effect. So I think it is lovely for an ocean lover or anyone that is in love with water. So the reason that I'm going to use for this one is going to be very low viscosity resin, the deep pour, because I really want to see how clear this is going to be. So this is the reason I have mixed it. I have mixed two colors, light blue and a very light purple. So I decided to add some aura film. You know, this is something that I really love to do. So I have just heated this film and I can see so many colors that I don't see on the regular ones. So just by simple heating them, you just bring out the colors from this aura film. So I will be showing you maybe some other video how to do that. Let's start pouring, and very carefully I'm going to pour. So before I was just pouring the blue one, then I decided no, I'm going to use this color. So very gently I'm just pouring the color in the center. And then after that I'm going to add the aura films. Just a little bit of heat gun if there are any air bubbles. And now I'm going to add the film, but later on I did remove the film out because I just wanted to see the effect of the mold itself. And I was thinking that if I add this aura film into the heart, it might break the waves or something like this. I really wanted to see the water effect in this one, so maybe it is a right choice or maybe not, but I will try with that as well. But for today I'm going to remove this aura film. In just a while you will see me. So here I'm just pouring the resin all in one go. And after doing that, here we go. I'm just going to take this out very carefully as I don't want to disturb the center color that I have poured. So just going to do a little bit of the swirl in the center, and then I will leave this to cure. just like this. It is a depot resin, so I'm sure that it's going to mix more later on. So while I was done with the resin, then I thought I have a lot of this one saved, so I'm going to pour some more into the center. So let's see, I think this is enough now. Now I'm going to do a little bit of swirl, just like that, in the center. And leave this to cure, and I will see you next day. So this is the next day. Super excited to see how this one turns out. So I can see the little shading of the purple as I poured the purple in the center, and here we go. Let's see how this one looks like. My resin is super clear. That is so fun to see. And this is the mold. And here we go. Wow, it is so clean, and I really love the light water look of this heart. Now you can do a lot with this, but I'm going to keep it simple, but I'm going to add the aura film. You will see that, but let's see how this one looks like. So this is how it looks like. It is really, really beautiful, and you can make it as a pendant. You can make it as if you wear statement jewelry, but if you like to do it as a wall decor, as a car hanging decor, anything, it is really pretty. I really love it, and it's amazing. So just keep on watching because I'm going to add some aura film to the back of this heart also. So you will see that it will be changing itself totally different. So here I'm just showing you all the looks I can give you with this lovely water effect resin heart. Just playing in the sun with this. And here we go. I have added the aura film or the fantasy film to the back of this resin heart, and you can see the look has totally changed. It turned out to be so lovely. It is like someone hand forged this heart out of glass or something. Really loving it. So I have a discount code for you, and I will link that in my description if you like to treat yourself. And I think this heart is a must buy. Really loving it. So that's it for today, and I will be keep on using the other molds and making videos, so just stay tuned for that. So like, subscribe and share. Thumbs up if you like the video, and if you haven't subscribed, please consider do so, and take very, very good care of yourself. Bye bye.